Sadly, I had to go back to work today. Happily, I get to open Sonny Angels because my coworker is an angel and this is what she got me for Christmas. Okay, we're gonna open up the Animal Series 3 first. I think I only have the snake. I wanna say I have the French Bulldog, but I'm really not too sure. And I think I have the crocodile. I'm really not too sure on the animals. The animals, I get lost. I really like the lop-eared rabbit or the chihuahua. The toy poodle's really cute too. I didn't know there was a cat in here. Okay, wait, I want the American Shorthair. I want the cat. But I'll settle for the chihuahua, the rabbit, toy poodle. The giraffe is kind of cute. I don't really like birds, so I don't really want the parrot or the macaw. Oh, not a good pop. I'm not looking forward to the day when my Sonny Angel luck runs out. Like, I'm gonna be so disappointed. That was crazy. Okay, next up, we have a Looking Back Hipper series. I have the koala. I think that's it. I love the cat. I love the cat, the rabbit. I think I might have the fawn, actually, the little deer. Oh, the hamster is actually really cute. The duck is really cute. I'll take any of these, honestly. I love the colors on these. I love the pink. I'm actually so happy. The cheeks.